Alright, so we're down on Azusa. Yeah. It rained. We just found out from the ranger that the people aren't pulling out till December. So that's still 2 months away. I don't think it matters at this time because, you know, it's still small. The off-road area is still confined and the tractors are still down there. Sorry about the bumpiness, but it's not worth deflating at this time. So we'll see what happens. He's actually set up. It doesn't look that deep today. Two raptors. Yeah.
Is this the only way there?
Yes. This is the only way across.
Okay. So there is more after this.
Oh, it goes all the way down to the second turn. However, this is the first river crossing.
Right.
There is some play area over here, but most people go over there, the main majority.
Right.
It's just you're going to get wet.
Right. Because I'm looking for the friends, and I don't know where they at.
They got to be behind the side over towards the other side.
Right.
Everybody, their mothers coming in. So it looks like all the water's drained. Everybody's going in right now. So that's the path of least rocks, but it looks like everybody's driving through this way. And he's about as stock as I am. It's pretty smooth. Old Ford. Toyota. He's gonna go around the long way. That's where I usually travel. You found the rock. Go around. This way's more shallow. Around that way. That side's deeper. I told you that was the deep side. You all right?
I supply the keys, P's, O's, hash, holes, trees. Just place your order at the desk. Yes, yes, yes. And tell them that you want the best. Young Dolph, Snoop Dogg, yeah, we in there. Them backwoods.
That's where you need to go. Do you have the lever to release the And that's the problem with water. Is that a 4-stroke? The airbox, I think, is on his passenger side. Is that even 4-wheel drive? Can't get any more stock than that. Springs in the back, coils in the front.